Jai Hind everyone. Recently, International Civil Aviation Organization launched its report where India is now at the 48th position, a quantum leap from the 102nd rank it had in 2018. The ranking are for 187 countries and assessments were done at different points of time. The ranking was topped by Singapore with a score of 99.69%. What is ICAO? It is funded and directed by 193 national governments to support their diplomacy and cooperation in air transport as signatory states to Chicago Convention 1944. Chicago Convention established the core principle permitting international transport by air and led to the creation of specialized agency which has overseen it ever since. The International Civil Aviation Organization ICAO developed standards for goal air transport and assists 192 member states in sharing the world's skies to their socio-economic benefit. Its headquarters is in Montreal, Canada. Stay tuned for more such updates.